Now, UP Minister Gayatri Prajapati, who's facing arrest for the gang rape of a woman, has now gone missing. He may be a minister in Akhilesh Yadav's cabinet and the Samajwadi Party candidate in the high-profile constituency of Amethi, but yes, he's gone missing. Meanwhile, the daughter of the woman who was allegedly raped has given her statement to the police.
Time seems to be running out for Samajwadi Party Minister Gayatri Prajapati. The 16-year-old girl, allegedly raped by him last year, recorded her statement with the UP police. The Supreme Court had ordered a case of gang rape of a woman and rape of her minor daughter to be registered. The minor's statement was recorded in Delhi's AIIMS hospital, where she is recovering from trauma. Her family says they are being harassed by the UP police and so have taken refuge in Delhi.
मैं आया तो पता लगा शिवअमिता सिंह वार्ड के अंदर थी, कुछ सिविल ड्रेस में लोग थे और मेरी बहन से फोन छीन रही थी अंदर, वो छीन रही थी मेरा फोन भी छीन लिया.
No, I wanted just to look into the phone whether what were the WhatsApp and calls. She didn't cooperate with me, so I let it go. And in the meantime, her advocate also came there, and he also threatened me.
So now is it likely that the minister will be arrested?
Most probably.
But the minister, also the Methi SP candidate, is not to be seen or found. There are 2 more phases of polls in UP, and the embarrassment of an arrest can cost the SP. Seemingly under pressure, the state government has withdrawn the minister's Y category security.
Gayatri Prajapati was given a ticket by Akhilesh Yadav. Akhilesh Yadav, the Chief Minister of UP, went to campaign for him, which was the most shameful thing in independent India by a Chief Minister.
मुझे लगता है कि कानून को अपना काम करना चाहिए. ये इतना सीरियस केस है कि इसको इलेक्शन के नज़रिए से नहीं देखा जाना चाहिए और देश देख रहा है कि क्या एक युवा नेता अपने हाई बेंचमार्क में इस तरह के केसेस को सस्टेन कर पाता है, उसमें अपनी पारदर्शिता दिखा पाता है कि नहीं.
There's a sense in the Samajwadi government that if they arrest Gayatri Prajapati now, they'll be playing into the hands of the opposition, who will use it in their remaining rallies. But there's also this sense that if they don't make the arrest now, then that will also be used against them in the remaining 2 phases of Uttar Pradesh elections. With Alok Pandey and camera person Xavier Thomas, Tonima Biswas for NDTV.